Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer Education for Kids. Last upload for class 5 was all about live tiles, resizing tiles and showing multiple windows at a same time. So today's video is all about creating shortcut for the apps, creating shortcut for the files, and also how to change the shortcut icon on the desktop. Now let's look into that. What do you mean by shortcut? Shortcut is nothing but the icon to open any app very quickly. There will be a small arrow at the lower left corner of the icon on the desktop. That means it is a shortcut. So now let's see some of the steps how to create an shortcut for an application. For that, the first step is you have to click on the start button. You can see many applications open there. Whichever application you want as a shortcut, just left click on that, drag that icon or drag that app to the desktop. What will happen? A new shortcut icon will be created on the desktop. You can see an arrow mark at the left corner or lower left corner of the icon on the desktop. If you want to open it, what you have to do? You just have to double click on that. Once you double click on that, it will directly open the app. First click on the start menu, drag the app to the desktop so that a shortcut of the app will be created on the desktop. You can double click and open it. Next, we are going to see how to create shortcut for any files on the desktop. For example, I'm working on any paint. I want to make a shortcut of that particular file or document. How to do that? For that, the first step what you have to do is right click on the desktop. The blank area, just give a right click. And then you will have many options like this where you have to first select new option. Once you click on new, you will get another set of options where you have to choose shortcut. When you click on shortcut, a new window like this, it will be opened. You can see a blank space there. Either you can type the location of your file, or if you don't know the location to type, you can click on browse. Once you click on browse, a new window will be opened. You can see all the files and folders in your drives. You can select from that. Once you click on that, you can click on next button. Did you see this? The path is selected now. You can click on next button. Once you click on next button, what will happen? A new window will be opened like this. They will ask you for the file name. Any name you can give according to your wish. You can give your own name. Okay. And type the name there. And at last, you have to click on the finish button. Once you click on finish button, a shortcut of the file with whatever name you have given, it will be created on the desktop. The original file will be saved in the original location. This is just a shortcut. Next, we are going to see some steps how to change the icon of any shortcut which is on the desktop. For that, the first step is you have to right click on the shortcut icon whichever you have created. Then you have to select properties option. Once you select this, a new window will be appeared. There you have to select the shortcut option or tab which is on the top. Once you select it, you will have an option at the bottom, change icon. When you click on the change icon button, a window will be displayed with many icons where you can select any icon of your choice. And then finally, you have to click on the OK button which is at the bottom. You will go to the previous menu itself. There you will have another button called Apply at the right hand corner. After clicking on Apply button, you have to click on the OK button. What will happen? Whichever icon you have selected for the change, it will be appeared on the desktop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful information. Before winding up, let me remind you to subscribe my channel, and if you like my presentation, hit on the like button. See you in next video with another interesting concepts.